Hey guys, it's Ayoni, and I'm going to be showing you how to play my song San Francisco like a pro without actually being a pro. The first thing you're going to need to do is tune your guitar in open tuning in Dad, Dad. You're going to want to make sure your bottom string is D, next string is A, D, D, A, and your top string is D. For the verse of this song, you only need one finger. It can be your index or your middle. You're going to start on fret 7. And it can be either of the D strings since both of the middle strings are Ds. I tend to do the bottom string. And you're gonna just move that finger from 7 to 9 to 11. Then you're gonna move that finger from 4 to 5 to 7. And while you're playing those specific fingering on the frets, you're also going to do an open strum for the rest of the chord, so you can hear this movement in the voicing in the chord. So it should sound like this. So as you can see, my finger was moving from 7 to 9 to 11, 4, 5 to 7. And the strumming pattern is down, up, 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 whole time. Down, up, down, up, down, up. I tend to use my thumb to go down and my index finger to go up, but you can use a full hand, whatever feels comfortable. And then to end that phrase of the verse, you're going to take your index and middle finger, and you're going to go from the 2nd fret, 5, 4, open, strum. So let's put that all together. Having climbed a hill much taller, I haven't found a wheel much stronger than one more time. I haven't been up north in years now. I left the 9 to 5 and figured out my we drive my. Now let's jump into the chorus. Taking your same index and middle, you're mostly going to work around 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9. I'm gonna just play through the hook, and you can just watch where my fingers move. San Francisco, I live for island, drunk as a disco, queen of the curves. You don't see me, I see myself. You just leave on the highway shell, but I love you always. It's a little bit strong in the winter time. You're singing my song and it sounds so nice on your lips. I'm telling you, baby, wouldn't it be nice if it could be like this all the time? The last part of the song that you guys need to know is the bridge. The bridge starts on fret 5, on fret 7, and then we go down to 5, and then we go up to 9. So it should sound like this, and it's a repetitive motion. Left a note in the hallway, said I still love you always. Yes, I will love you always. Each time I do it, I tend to get a little bit louder. Still doing that same down up motion. On the 3rd time, you can switch from more of a simple strum to a full-on, full throttle strum. Last time, you can really just dig in all the way. I know I can't stop. guys should be able to play the full song of San Francisco. Thanks for watching.